Okay, it's Evva ICS time. I'm actually not going to be doing a whole lot of talking in this video. If you want to watch a good educational video on this lock, there are two you should watch. One is made by Correct Genes and the other is made by Artichoke. Both of them are better than this video is about to be, so go check them out. I do want to give a couple shout outs to people who helped me though, one of which is Correct Genes. CJ was listening to me bellyache about ping-ponging in this lock. Ping-ponging being when you set one element and then you go to set the next, and you drop the one you just set, and you can go back and forth, and the two have seemingly the same exact position in the binding order, and so you can't really, feels like you have to set both simultaneously. And I was trying a bunch of things. I was kind of mostly really focusing on tension, making sure I was being very accurate, and then I was ratcheting through all the positions in the false gates and true gates, kind of trying to work them down. I think I'm done with this side. Let me go back in here. And that wasn't getting me anything. And eventually I parked one slider right on the edge of the true gate, so I was actually in the flat spot between gates. And when I was in that position, I couldn't get the other slider to bind at all. And that was true for both of them. And it was at that point that CJ asked me a question, which I'm sure in his head he finished it off by calling me a dumbass. He asked me, well, when you have it in that state, have you tried using lots of tension, you dumbass? Obviously, I'm embellishing there. He didn't call me a dumbass, but he was thinking it. And that was actually very astute, and that's what I needed to do. So that's what I just did on 1 and 2, and I need to do the same for 4 and 5. And then the other person I need to thank is Rain for suggesting that I pick this in European orientation. I don't know if I would have tried that. It's much easier this way. So thank you. Did I push that too far? I think I overshot and ended up in the true gate, didn't I? Oh no, I wasn't, but now I am. I don't want this one in the gate. See if I can bring that up a little bit. Come on, I'm close. It's almost there. Let me try this guy again. Unprogress. Okay, 1 is jiggly, 2 is jiggly, 3 I just have to kind of bump a little bit. Nervous that these ones are out of position. No, those are still good, okay. There, it's open. Ha! Okay. Not gonna let it leave the frame this time, because I did that, and that was dumb. Okay. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's get these sliders out of here. Excuse me. So I was lucky enough to have 2 zero lifts and one that's almost a zero lift. I have to keep nudging it. So that was a little lucky. But also got a bunch that need to go way, way, way up there. Okay. 1, 2, 3. These guys don't like to come out. Okay, so I'm going to put this back to auto exposure, hopefully. Can you hear my dog snoring away? Okay, sidebar grooves. Where's the plug? Let's see if we can focus on these damn things. See the false gates. All right, Evva ICS, thanks.